the 2000 Mercedes SL 500. Powered by a 5-liter V8 engine. With an automatic transmission, this rear-wheel drive roadster gets up to 23 miles per gallon. This vehicle features dual front airbags, dual power seats, and premium wheels. Safety features include traction control, 4-wheel ABS, and slip control. Comfort and convenience features include power windows, telescoping wheel, and premium sound. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax" at Mercedes-Benz of Pleasanton, a Carfax Advantage dealer.